Go.
Welcome, my name is Devin Borman and I'm the Director and Head Instructor of Academy Develop. Today we're going to be covering a short lesson on proper movement when in your rapier posture. So I'd like you to begin in terza. So here, making sure that you are well situated over your feet, weight held back. One of the main challenging things with terza is keeping your weight away from your opponent, keeping these targets further away, while moving forward without having your body rock forward. So to take our steps forward, I'm going to give you a basic lesson on how we do this. So first, to measure out that step, a nice way to do this is just lift the toe, place the heel where the toe was, and then as you drop the toes, bring the back foot up, and it's about the right length of step. Now it doesn't need to be made dramatically like that. In fact, stepping with the whole foot is really a better way to move. A little heel toe is okay, but I recommend not stepping dramatically with the heel, exposing the bottom of the foot, and really just putting it in a precarious position. So nice small steps forward. The main thing as we move is we want the front foot to reach out and grab new ground, and then the back foot to bring the whole body forward. So a way that you can practice this idea of movement is, I like to use my sword for this. Take your stance, and I want you to place the sword against your body. Your belly button is a great place to do this, because that kind of represents where your weight is in relation to your feet. So I can tell that my weight is close to my back foot. It's not right on my back foot. Now, I want to, as I step forward with my lead foot, I don't want my weight to move. So the foot moves and I get a little lower, my weight is in the same spot. Now I bring myself forward and the weight comes forward. So as I move, I'm staying just on the ball of my back foot to leave this springy. This is what allows me to not rock as I move. So taking a look at a step backward, same idea works in reverse. My back foot is stepping away, grabbing a little bit of ground, my weight stays where it was, now I shift backward. So again, the ball of the foot is the important part of making this recovering step. With your front foot, to avoid dragging your heel, what I recommend doing is giving a little push off the ball of the foot as you recover. So I'm taking this step back, and I'm pushing off the ball of my foot in order to make sure I lift the whole foot and there's no dragging. Keeping it nice and close to the ground. So a few admonishments, a few things I want you to watch for in your movement is, one, make sure that your head is not rocking as you move. This happens a lot when we're not comfortable with the way we shift our weight. Make sure you're not dragging your feet, the front or the back, and make sure that you're not bouncing as you move. So again, the bouncing we deal with, we're making sure we stay well cushioned in our feet, or rather in our knees, so my body stays nice and low to the ground, and I keep my knees bent the whole time. If you straighten your legs, because you're getting tired, it's easy to get a very jaunty bounce to your walk, which means you're going to be telling your opponent that you're coming. So, an exercise you can practice at home to do this is take 2 small steps forward, 1 back. 2 forward, 1 back, until you reach the end of your space. Then take 2 steps back, 1 forward. 2 back, 1 forward. And then work that at different speeds. So the goal is to be able to do this fluidly, quickly, and precisely.